Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear and start over in H&R Block Online. If you've already started your tax return but realized you made mistakes or want to restart the process from scratch, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. First, go to the H&R Block website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see the overview page with a message like "Welcome back" along with your name. From here, click on Continue Taxes. This will open the tax return you've already started, so you can access all the information you previously entered. Once you're inside your return, you'll notice different sections across the top, such as Your Info, Income, Deductions, Credits, Taxes, and Wrap-Up. If you want to completely start over, you'll need to remove the information you've already entered. At the moment, H&R Block Online doesn't provide a single button to instantly clear your entire return, so the way to start over is by manually deleting each section of information. Start by clicking on the Income section. Here, you'll see the entries you've added, such as forms or income sources. Next to each entry, you'll find a Remove option. Click Remove and then Confirm by selecting Yes, Delete. After deleting one item, continue going through the rest of the entries and remove them one by one. Then move on to the other sections like deductions and credits and repeat the same process until all the information has been removed. Once everything has been cleared, your return will basically be cleared, allowing you to start fresh and re-enter your information correctly from the beginning. And that's it. That's how to clear and start over in H&R Block Online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.